Hi there, welcome to 1-2 Steps. In this video, I am going to guide you through how to sign up for Coinbase account. To learn, watch the video till the end. So to open a Coinbase account, first you need to download the app. You can download it from Google Play or App Store based on your device. So open up the app and there you will see a button called sign up. Click on that and type in your first name, your last name, email, and a password. And click on I clarify that I am 18 years of age or older. And then press create account. If you want to turn on the notification, click on turn on notification. If not, then click on skip now. To verify if it's your mail, it will send a verification mail to your mail. Check your mail. And then click verify email address. After that, to secure your account, now you need to verify your identity. Click start. Now to secure your account, they require a two-step verification. Click continue. Now type in your phone number. Then click continue. Now it will send a 7-digit code to your phone through SMS. After receiving the code, type on the code. After typing in the code, click verify and you have successfully created your Coinbase account. So that was the procedure of creating a Coinbase account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscription button and ring the notification button if you wish to get notification of our newest upload. For now, thank you for watching the video.